For this video, I'm going to show how to make data disk. So first, you create a virtual machine. So you could create and attach a new one here, or attach an existing one when you go to the disk section of the create virtual machine. So give it a name, choose what kind. So we'll just do an empty one. The size, we'll leave it at that. And encryption. And then that's it. And I'll show you how to do it within the virtual machines in the blade there. So I'll come back when it's ready. Alright, it's ready, so let's go to it. So we go to disks, and here's the one that we created. Then we could create and attach a new one. Give it a new name. Storage type, size, encryption. Anyway, so you do all that, save, just gonna create it, and it's done. It's gonna update the virtual machine. And okay, now it's done. Go to overview and let's connect to it. I'll restart it, and I'll come back when it's ready. Alright, so let's connect to it. I might have not put the RDP port. I'll come back. Yeah. Alright, so let's add the port. Priority 100. Okay. Now let's try. Oh wait. Inbound, it's outbound. So let's do RDP for outbound. Wow, 100. Alright, it's added. Or connect. There we go. And I'm going to go to Server Manager, and then inside of it, File and Storage Services. And we're going to look at the volumes at the disk specifically. So I'll come back when it's ready. Alright. Okay, it's still loading up, I guess. Alright. Wow, it's still being slow. I should have got a better virtual machine. Alright, file and storage services, disk. So if you look at the file explorer, it's going to have the C drive and the T drive. And since I added one while I was deploying the virtual machine, it should have another one, and then I added one after that, so it's going to have 4 disks. Oh, it is so slow. Alright, over here. So, if you want to add it, because it's only having 2 virtual, you first initialize it, yes, and then you make a new volume. Alright, so you can just do next, go through the wizard. We want this server, and we could choose. We're gonna want this one. We could change the volume size. So we're just gonna do max available capacity. And then it's gonna give it drive letter of E because we have, oh, it did F. Looks like, oh, we gave that E, so F. Next, give it whatever you want to call it. Next, and you create it, and when it's done, it's going to show up here. And then we could do the same thing for this other one where you initialize it, so then it gets partitioned, and then you create it. So right here, F, so it has almost a terabyte. It's just 1 terabyte, I guess you would say. And yeah, so you could do that and add another one. So that's how to create disk and everything through the Azure portal, and then in here is how to actually do it for the virtual machine to initialize and assign it.